Hi.
Today we are going to be opening
This LaFuFu
LaFuFu
or LaFuFu that we got from this mini station thing.
Yeah.
So we're gonna open it.
Welcome over here.
And the McDonald's are in the way.
I can't open
Tina, open it the other way.
This is so trash.
Why they put tape on it?
I do not know.
I think they
They take the original one?
Yeah. And then they just put a little.
You know what?
Why in the camera?
I can't. It's so hard to rip this thing. I'm about to just rip
It's
it.
okay.
I'm about to just rip it.
What's the trash?
Wait, guys, wait for me.
Oh no, I put the trash in the wrong bag. It's fine.
Alright, this is the dry bag.
Not bad.
Well, I feel like this is a LaFuFu.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah, this is definitely a LaFuFu.
No, they say Pop Tart.
They don't have it in Ziploc bags.
Why don't you put it in a Ziploc?
I put it in a Ziploc bag.
I feel like this is a LaFuFu.
Alright, you ready? I can't open mine.
So that I can get this one,
Ooh, show the camera.
this one.
What is that one?
What is that one?
I think is the Serenity one. I don't know.
It's the green one.
This one might be the Serenity one.
I need some help.
I don't want to.
Alright, go.
Tina,
What you get?
Wait, this is the wrong way.
He got that one.
Tina.
It has to be turned around. Wait, hold on.
Wait,
This one. I don't know if it's real or not.
I think Tina,
What
yours
is this?
might
It's not
be
light.
blue.
It's really light.
Well, the head is really broke.
Really?
Matina, do we
The
have?
head's to turn around.
Matina, I don't think we can open yours. You
I'm about to use
Why
my.
your hand is look crooked? Your face look crooked.
Yeah. You can move its head. This is definitely a LaFuFu.
You can or you lose?
You can't move the boo-boo head. And the face is also crooked.
It is a fake crooked.
Yeah, this is definitely a LaFuFu, guys.
Yeah, you just unzip it. Tina got the real
Oh
one.
yeah, wait, is that the secret one?
I got the brown one.
Oh, your fufu face is different.
I don't know what that one is. This one is happy.
Happy?
Yeah.
Look at the smile. Look at the turn around.
Hello, what's your name? I don't even think
This was $25.
Yeah, this is definitely a LaFuFu.
Wait, my ear doesn't even look the same.
I know.
My ear's not the same either.
My ears are not the same either. One's darker, one's lighter.
Put your face in.
You want to?
And this is the
Didn't stay much together. Okay.
Okay, this is actually.
You can tell. Put it in the back, man.
and its head looks
It's not
weird.
that bad for a LaFuFu to be.
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye 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 bye.